Open CapCut on your PC and import the video and image that you want to edit. Drag both the things to the timeline and adjust their durations. Now resize the image on screen and place it at your desired place. Go to the blend option and turn down the opacity of the image. Then go to the mask section and apply a rectangle mask. Cover the whole image by a mask. Apply some feather and round the corners of the image. Preview the video and make necessary changes if required. Once you are satisfied, click on the export button and save your video.